one. Let the matrix A is equal to Aij, that is 2 by 3 matrix, matrix A, 2 by 3 matrix, and Aij, each entry is defined by J minus I, then determine matrix A ይላል። ስለዚህ አሁን I ምንድን ነው የምታሳየው? ሮ ታሳያለች። J ደግሞ ኮለም ነው የምታሳየው። And each entry Aij, I rows and J's column is defined by J minus I. Then determine the matrix A ይላል። So solution, let the matrix A is, that is, it's given that size 2 by 3 matrix, row 2 እና column 3 ነው። So the matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Any no matrix. So its size is 2 by 3. That is row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3. So 2 by 3 no. And it's defined that each entry is Aij is equal to J minus I. J minus I means ከኮለም ላይ ሮው እየቀነስን እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። Aij ማለት an entry which is this I row and J's column ላይ የምትገኝ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ A11 means that is row 1, column 1. That is 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. A12 means row 1, column 2, which is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. A13 is equal to, that is row 1, column 3, which is 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 ይሆናል። The next one is A21 is equal to, that is row 2, column 1, that is 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. A22 is equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. A23 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So ስለዚህ ማትሪክስ A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 አግኝተናል። እያንዳንዱን አግኝተናል። ስለዚህ the matrix A is equal to A11 that is 0, A12 that is 1, A13 that is 2, A21 that is minus 1, A22 0, A23 1. So the required matrix is this one, which size is 2 by 3 matrix. ስለዚህ Aij is defined by J minus I. So the matrix A is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So let's see the next one, okay? The next one, okay? Question number 2, okay? Construct a 3 by 4 matrix. Okay, construct 3 by 4 matrix Aij, that is size 3 by 4 now, where, okay, where Aij is equal to 3i minus 2j. The size of the matrix is 3 by 4 and each entry is defined by this one. Aij is equal to 3i minus 2j. So solution, let the matrix A is, that is 3 by 4 matrix. So no, that is row 3, column 4. That is A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. This is the matrix whose size is 3 by 4 matrix. That is row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So how can we find this each in the values of each entries? And it's defined as that Aij is equal to 3i minus 2j. So based on this one, A11 is equal to 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 ይሆናል። A11 is this one. A12 ከተባለ ደግሞ 3 times 1 which is 3 times 1 which is 3 minus 2 times 2 is 4, then 3 minus 4 is minus 1. A13 means that is 3 times, just we can multiply 3 times 1 which is 3 minus 3 times 2 is 6 which is minus 3. A14 is equal to 1 times 3 is 3 minus 4 times 2 is 8, 3 minus 8 is minus 5 ይሆናል። The next one is ይህንን ሮ 1 ጨርሰናል ማለት ነው። A21 is equal to 3 times 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is, that is 3 times 2 is 6, okay, 6 minus 2 is 2 which is equal to 4 ይሆናል። A22 is equal to 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, that is 6 minus 4 which is equal to 2 ይሆናል። A23 means 2 times 3 is 6, 6 minus 3 times 2 is 6 which is 0 ይሆናል። A23. The next one is A24. A24 is equal to 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2 times 4 is 8 minus 8. ስለዚህ ስንት ይሆናል? ይሄ minus 2 ይሆናል። ሮቱን ጨርሰናል። A31 is equal to 3 times 3 is 9, 9 minus 2 is, that is 9 minus 2 which is equal to 7. A32 means 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2 times 2 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5 ይመጣል። A33 is equal to 3 times 3 is 6, 6 minus 3 times 2 is, no, 3 times 3 is 9, okay, እዚህ ጋር 3 times 3 is 9 minus 3 times 2 is 6, so 9 minus 6 is 3 ይሆናል። A34 is equal to 3 times 3 is 9 minus 4 times 2 is 8, right? This is 9 minus 8 is 1 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ እያንዳንዱን ኢንትሪን አግኝተናል። A11 አግኝተናል። A12፣ A13፣ A14፣ A21፣ A22፣ A23፣ A24፣ A31፣ A32፣ A33፣ A34 እንዳለ አግኝተናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ማትሪክሱ እንዴት ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው? ኦኬ the matrix is, so let me raise this one. ማትሪክሱ ምንድነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው? A11 which is 1, A12 which is minus 1, A13 which is minus 3, A14 which is minus 5, A21 which is 4, A22 which is 2, A23 which is 0, A24 which is minus 2, A31 7, A32 which is 5, A33 which is 3, A34 which is 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So this one is the required matrix whose size is 3/4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። based on the defined entry, okay, aij 3i minus 2j። ስለዚህ i ሮ ታሳያለች፣ j ኮለም ታሳያለች። ስለዚህ A11 means the entry that exists row 1 እና column 1 ላይ ማለት ነው። i ቦታ አንድን ሪፕሌስ እናደርጋለን፣ j ቦታ አንድ። A12 ማለት i ቦታ i ሮ ታሳያለች which is 1, j ኮለም ታሳያለች which is 2, then 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 minus 4 is minus 1። እንደዚህ አድርገን ኢንትሪውን እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። Thank you.